All right, on this particular topic, you have to really kind of picture the polygon kind of doing the transformations that they are mentioning. Because they are regular polygons, you can divide 360 by the number of sides. So let's see, let's just write this. If we have n sides, okay, let me just get my pen ready. Okay, so if we have n sides, you want to divide 360 by n. Let me write that a little different. Let's just do 360 over n as a fraction. So we'll put 360 divided by n, and then whatever number you get, see, how do we say this? Like, if you rotate the figure a number of degrees that is divisible by the number you get, then it will work. So for instance, let me show you an example. So this one, there's 3 sides. If you divide 360 by 3, you get 120 degrees. So every time, wait a minute. Is it 120? Yeah. So every time you rotate it 120 degrees, it will map onto itself. In other words, it'll look the same. So if I rotate it 240 degrees, that is divisible by 120. It goes in twice. So I will be able to see this figure again. So yes, that one will work. Reflection across U. Now reflection's a mirror image. So as long as this is the same distance, if this point's the same distance from the line as the point above it, then it will work. Reflection across W, no way, because here's a point here and it's not there. It will look the wrong way. And then there is a couple more. Oops, all my things are like drawn all over here. Okay, let me just erase them. Okay, so we had here. This is no, that's not going to work. 120 degrees is this number. So yeah, that's going to work. And it will just be those 3. So I'm going to leave these notes here on the side, but look at what they wrote. They actually talk about it. They say you can divide 360 by the number of sides. So any angles that are multiples of 120, and they show it here a little bit better, 120, 240, 360, any of those will work. So that's why we picked the 2 that we did. And then you want to look at the reflection. You guys can kind of tell, maybe, hopefully, if it's a mirror image or not. And then they mark the 3 that we did. So let's do an example. I'm going to erase this because, you know what, let me move what we wrote, n sides. Okay, we're gonna just divide first. So we're gonna divide, this is a hexagon, so there's 6 sides. Let's take 360 divided by 6. That is equal to 60 degrees. So if we are rotating 60, 120, 180, any multiple of 60, can you see how we're just doing multiples of 60? Let's see, 240, what comes after 24? 30, 300 degrees. It will work, okay? So let's look at these. It says a reflection across line D. That doesn't look, no way, because that's not, that won't work, nope. 72 degrees, no, that's not a multiple of 60. Yes, look at this reflection across C, that works because it's a mirror image. Clockwise rotation about Y by 216 degrees. No, that's not going to work. It's not a multiple 60. So it's only that reflection. That's the only one that's going to work. And we're going to do a couple of more examples because I feel like I'm hoping that you're understanding the dividing into 360. Okay, so this is a pentagon, which means 5 sides. So we're going to do 360 divided by 5. Let's just get this out of the way. I just do this first thing every time. So that's 70, isn't it 2? 72. So 72, let's see, 144. We add 72 to 216. Hey, this looks like the numbers that were in our last one. And so on. Okay. So let's look at these, what they're asking. Reflection across line H. So is that a mirror image? Yes, I would pick that one. Reflection across line G. No way. Clockwise, it doesn't matter if it's clockwise or counterclockwise. If it's a rotation of this many degrees, we're going to pick it. 72 is a multiple. 60 is not a multiple of 72, so we're not going to pick that one. And that's that. Let's go to the next one. Okay, so this is a triangle. We've done this before where we divide by 3 and we get 120. So we're going to have 120, 240, 360, 480, etc. Okay, so those would be the degrees for rotation. Reflection across line G. So we're going to go like that and look at the reflection. Yes, that works. Clockwise 144, nope, that's not in our list of numbers. Reflection across line H, nope. 180 degrees, nope, because that's not in our list of numbers. So no, that's it, just the reflection. That's all we have. The end of the lesson.